Nakalamaromda Indian Armed Forces na chathakhiba Operation Sindoor adubu Union Home Minister Amit Shah yauna tongan-tonganba political leadersingna thagatpa phongdoknarakli. Union Home Minister Amit Shah na mahakki X account ta thagalakpa warol amana hai Operation Sindoor ase Pahalgam da tamthina hatokpikhraba mara leijadraba Indian singge laman sing bane India da chatharakpa makhal ama hektagi attack ta chap chaba paukhum pi bahaibase Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingba lengaga sigi lengdraba firepni India gi leimaidagi terrorism marufang na muthatpa haibasina aikhoigi pandamni haina Union Home Minister Amit Shah gi warol asina makha tari Amaromda AICC gi President Malik Arjun Kharge na so Indian Armed Force na chathakhiba Operation Sindoor bo thagatpa phongdokhe hiram asigi matangda Malik Arjun Kharge na mahaki X account ta thagalakpa post torokpa wafam amata hai Pakistan amasung Pakistan occupied Kashmir dagi horakpa terrorism gi thawong khudingmak thengnanaba India gi national policy leijai Pahalgam da chatharakhiba terror attack adudagi Indian National Congress na leibak asigi Armed Forces amasung leingak nangam khai lanna lawkhatlakadaba thaurang singda sawatlaga leikhi Indian Armed Forces na thongna leina Pakistan amasung Pakistan occupied Kashmir da chathakiba Operation Sindoor adugidamak chawthokpa phawi Haujikti National Unity amasung Solidarity gi matamni asigumba luraba matang asida Indian National Congress na Armed Forces singidamak lepli haina Mallikarjun Kharge gi post asina makatari Nakalamaromda Pahalgam Thaudoki China Koktringai Talak asida ngasidi achumba wayal ama na pakhum pipa haure haina Manipur gi hanagi Chief Minister N Biren na mahaki X account ta post tawrakli loinana BJP gi National General Secretary BL Santos na so India gi Armed Forces singidamak temple masjid church gurudwara Jain mandir amade Parsi singna Thoni biu haiba wafam so phongdorakli